So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, matagal ko nang gustong gawin ito, but there are so many limiting beliefs, kung ano-ano man dyan na pumipigil para ituloy, no? So, yun nga, and eventually, talagang naisip ko na I have to really push myself, no? Leap and develop wings along the way, ika nga. So, ayan, maraming salamat sa mga magsasubscribe, follow me, while I'll be sharing everything about my experiences in, of course, health and wellness, lalo sa running, filmmaking, and personal development, which those three areas, very passionate talaga ako sa ngayon. So yun, personal development, more on my journey, my learnings also i-share ko, kasi sabi nga nila, the best way to learn daw is to teach. So I will be sharing more than teaching. So yeah, abangan nyo every week, every Monday. I haven't decided yet kung anong araw, but yeah, salamat, maraming salamat, at magkikita-kita tayo.